I'm Taylor and I'm going to show you how to make 2 delicious dishes using pizza dough from Bellegarde Bakery. First, we'll start with my Perfetto Prosciutto Pizza. Perfect prosciutto pesto pizza. Say that 5 times fast. Perfect pesto prosciutto pizza. 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 Perfect. Okay, you get it. Roll out your Bellegarde Bakery pizza dough into a rectangle. Place on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Top with the Bellegarde arugula and pecan pesto, followed by fresh mozzarella and Parmigiano cheese. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Bake until crust is golden brown and cheese is bubbling, about 12 minutes. Top with prosciutto, Parmigiano, and arugula. Before serving, top with balsamic glaze.
Oh, it's so hot. It's so good. That crust is crispy. That pesto is banging.
Now, for all you fancy people who cook your pizza rolls in the oven instead of the microwave, this is taking it just one more notch up from that. Just a little bit. Cut your Bellegarde pizza dough in half until you have 16 even pieces. Flatten each piece and top with Bellegarde pizza sauce, quartered pepperoni, and shredded mozzarella. Roll each into a ball and place in a pan. Combine 2 minced garlic cloves and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Pour on top of the bites. Add more shredded mozzarella on top. Bake for 10 minutes at 450 degrees. Serve with extra Bellegarde pizza sauce.
Cheesy, garlicky, meaty, sweet, salty, a little bit spicy, just perfect. I mean, you can't go wrong with this one. You really can't.